Georgia's unemployment rate for March held steady at 6.3%, the same as in February, but that's a full point below the same time a year ago. This continues a trend of positive and stable unemployment rates that State Labor Commissioner Mark Butler says dates back to November of 2010.
And since that time in Georgia, our rate has gone down every month or remained the same since that time period. So that means that since November 2010, our unemployment rate has never gone up.
Although the rate remained the same, Georgia lost 6,600 jobs between February and March. The hospitality industry, along with construction and manufacturing, lost jobs. But the impact of those losses was somewhat offset by gains in healthcare, retail, and finance. And once again, the state's over-the-year job growth, which is a better indicator of economic strength than monthly variations, continued to be strong. In fact, it was strong enough to make it the best since 2000.
We are still doing very well. As we showed, Georgia having almost 130,000 more jobs today than it did the same time 12 months ago, which gives us an over a 3% job growth rate for over the year, which is higher than the national average.
The growth was across the board in every one of the 10 major industries for which data is kept. Trade and transportation, leisure and hospitality, and healthcare and education led the way. And Georgia's imported construction industry registered its 27th consecutive month of growth. More people filed new claims for unemployment insurance in March than in February, an increase of 2.1%, but nearly a third of those were for temporary layoffs. The number of new claims was down 3% from March of last year. And the number of long-term unemployed in Georgia continues to decline, down 17% from March a year ago. For the Georgia Department of Labor, I'm Sam Hall.